Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to resize photos. First of all, open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you get into the swipe up on the photo you want to resize, then check out the current size of the photo. As you can see, the current size of the photo. Now, take a screenshot of the photo. After that, crop the image and save it. Then, open up the image you just cropped. Now swipe right on the photo and you can see the current size of the photo. The image size is lesser now. After that, open up the web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Image Resizer. Then, you will be able to see different sites from where you can resize your photos. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and see you in the next one.